Hello, precious viewers, subscribers, and fans all over the world. You are welcome back to our channel. Now, we're venturing into the world of culinary magic and preparing a delectable lasagne from scratch. So, let's dive right in. We'll start by crafting our sauce. We need 1 can of chopped tomatoes and 1 can of tomato puree. Simmer them together for around 30 minutes for that perfect sauce base. Once that's ready, let's stir in a handful of basil and some seasoning to amp up the flavors. Now, let's move on to the layering process. The first layer is a healthy dose of bolognese sauce, followed by a layer of lasagne sheets. Then comes the cheese, a generous helping that will melt into a golden delight once baked. After that, another layer of sauce, and finally, a sprinkling of cheese on top for that extra cheesy touch. To complete this mouth-watering dish, we'll bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour, or until it's golden brown and bubbling from the cheese. That's your cue to take it out and let it cool down before it makes its way to your dinner table. Have you subscribed? Please subscribe now, as it doesn't cost money. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. I wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Furthermore, now we will be sharing another way of preparing lasagne from the scratch. So grab your apron and let's get started on this culinary adventure. The first step is to prepare the sauce. To give it a touch of deliciousness, I'll be adding an assortment of seasonings. Then, it's time to fry the mince and incorporate the sauce into it. It's like a symphony of flavors coming together in one pan. Now, let's move on to the lasagne sheets. You can either buy them or make your own using flour and eggs for that homemade feel. After they have been cooked delicately, it's time to construct our lasagne. Arrange your lasagne sheets in an oven-proof dish, spread a generous layer of mince onto them, and then add some cheese for an extra cheesy delight. Repeat this process until all your layers are set. It's almost like creating a magnificent cake with layers of mouth-watering ingredients. The final step is to bake the lasagne until it turns golden brown in color. The aroma that fills your kitchen will make your taste buds tingle with anticipation. You are much appreciated for joining us on this gastronomic adventure, and we hope you found this recipe enjoyable and straightforward to follow. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, watch recommended videos on your screen, and tap or click notifications bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload videos. Please subscribe, as subscription is free and doesn't cost money. Have you subscribed now? Until our next culinary journey together, we say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Happy cooking to everyone and good luck!